I'm starting off directly with my eyes today as I have a whole base routine on my channel, so watch that video. I will be linking it in the description as well as in the eye bar. I'm starting off with this beautiful light blue color from the Fashion Factory 45 eyeshadow palette. I have talked about this palette a lot of time on my Instagram and I absolutely love this palette. The pigmentation is beautiful. So I'm just applying it on the crease area and then blending it along with it. And then I would be moving on with the darker blue shade and blending it with the lighter blue shade just to give a little bit of shadow and definition to the eyes. Just take your time and blend it. A good smoky eye look always look beautiful when the colors are blended beautifully. So take your time and blend it. Next, I will be going in with the black shade from the palette and then I will be applying it on the hollow section that we have left. So after applying the black shade, it creates a beautiful gradient from lighter blue, then darker blue and finally black. So as you can see, I'm getting a little bit of fallout from the black shade and this is completely normal. Usually black shade does give a little bit of fallout, so don't you worry, and we can easily dust it off with a fluffy brush later. And if you want to do your eyes first, then you can do it as well and then move on with your base makeup. Finally, I would be taking this blending brush which do not have any eyeshadow in it and then I would be blending the outer edge of my eye so that it looks seamless. As we got a little bit of fallout, I just dusted off with a fluffy brush and then I will be applying this concealer on the under eye area so that it brightens up the area and we can move on with the yellow shade. Now to set the concealer in place, I would be using the lighter shade from the Wet n Wild contour palette and then apply using a damp beauty blender under the eyes. Finally, we will be moving on with the star color of the entire eye look, that is yellow, and I am using this yellow from the Tammi X Revolution palette. This yellow is very pigmented. It is a little bit chalky but we can work with that. So I am just applying the yellow on the waterline and I will be just blending it along. To give the lashes beautiful fluttery look, I will be using the Maybelline Colossal Mascara as always. This is my favorite mascara, as you guys may know by now. This gives very beautiful voluminous lashes. I would be applying it on both my upper lashes as well as my lower lashes. Again, just take your time with the mascara. I personally take maximum time with my mascara as I want my lashes to look beautiful and long. Here in this makeup look, you can easily go with false lashes, but as my lashes are pretty big, so I just skipped that, and I personally do not like applying false lashes. I feel that mascara gives a much better look. For the blush, I would be using the Sugar Mini Blushes. It gives a very natural flush to the skin. For the highlighter, I would be using the Incolor highlighter. So I am using this highlighter after a really long time, as this highlighter is a little bit dark for my skin tone. It is very golden, and as I am filming this video in the night time, so it looks okay on the skin right now with all the artificial lighting, but in natural lighting it looks very dark. So that's why I do not usually go for this one, but the formula of this highlighter is beautiful. It is very pigmented and it gives a very blinding effect. To line my lips, I would be again using the Incolor lip liner in the shade Soft Brown. So I've talked about this liner previously on my channel, so you can go and check that video out. And I really love the formula of this lip liner, and this particular shade looks beautiful on olive Indian skin tone. For the lipstick, I will be going in with the LA Color Matte Lipstick in the shade Smashing. This is a beautiful brown nude shade, perfect for this eye makeup look. And that's the finished look, you guys. It turned out so pretty yet very bold. I personally love a good smoky eyes on me, and this pop of yellow gave it a beautiful twist. So yeah, this was the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you end up recreating this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and use my hashtag FamJamWithPooja so that I can stalk you guys and I can repost all of your looks. So that's it for the video, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed, and if you did, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get notified every time I come out with a new video. You can always follow me on Instagram as I'm totally active there. And till then, stay safe, stay positive, stay happy. I will see you guys on my next one.